everyone, it's Ayna. So in today's video, I'll be telling you guys some of DIY study hacks that can keep you productive while studying. Trust me, you won't believe it right now, but these facts are scientifically approved, and I literally spent about my whole day in researching for these facts for you guys. So without further ado, let's just get in the video. If you guys have a lot of things to read, all you have to do is chew a gum while reading. This will double and even triple up your reading skills of your mind, and you'll be able to complete whatever work you are doing of reading in just a couple of minutes. I know it sounds a little weird, but trust me guys, this will surely change your life. It works awesome. I've literally tried it personally. The another life-saving study hack is put your shoes on while studying. Your mind associates that putting shoes on means you are busy, so this will help you in being more into studies and less distracted. If you guys are like me and study at the last moment of the exam, first of all, I know it sucks, but here is a life-saving hack for that too. The best thing that you can do at that moment is study the first and the last 20% of your syllabus. Do you guys remember the paper you throw away in the beginning of your year? Do not throw that away, because that literally shows the format that came in your exam, and if you will compare it with your syllabus, you can see that the first 20% and the last 20% of your syllabus has the most questions in your paper. The another life-saving hack is keep some of the important things with you, just like food, water and another necessary things that you may need, so that this won't happen with you. I think I'm kind of thirsty. Okay, let me bring water. Well, I know getting thirsty is a human thing, but the thing is you will get up and bring that water, so you will get distracted and your concentration level will go back to zero from whatever level it was before. And when you get back to doing your work that you were already doing, then you realize I'm kind of hungry too. Then you go to wherever you have kept your snacks and find which one should I eat, this one or that one. Then this takes a lot of time. Then you get back and eat it. This will literally take a lot of time. You won't even realize how much time it took. Another life hack for you guys is that wear comfortable clothes. Come on, you're doing something, you have to concentrate, not that you are, oh, these jeans are so tight, these shoes sucks. So just wear some comfortable clothes, get in your shorts, take off your jeans, wear a balloon top. This will really help you in being comfortable and studying. Another life hack is study before you go to sleep. Okay, let me explain in simple words. What happened is that you don't have any other information going on or any other stress going on in your mind, and the last thing that you did was study, so you will be able to remember at least 95% of what you did. And as compared to when you do it in afternoon or in morning, you have a lot of things after that that you have to do, and those things will keep circulating in your mind and you will forget that what you did in study. Another life-saving hack is exercise before you study. Research says that exercise for about 20 minutes before you study. What actually happens is that this thing will boost your concentration skills, but actually I think I'm not going to try it. I'm too lazy for doing this thing. I think about 2 or 3% of you guys will try this out, but this surely works, as I have seen a lot of reviews on this thing. You guys can even search it on Google. Another life-saving study hack is take short interval time break in between. This actually helps in regaining focus and study more effectively. You can just take a short-term break for about 10 minutes and you can go on your phone and stand in balconies or whatever you want to do. Another life-saving study hack is silent your mobile phone. I know this is kinda a difficult one for me also, because nothing can happen these days without mobile phones, so it is difficult one. And you can even message your family members or friends to not disturb you because you're doing some important work. This will help you in gaining concentration. Another thing you can do is make a music playlist of calm and classical music. Every music won't work like pop music, no, not at all. You can do your writing work or even learning work. This will help you in regaining your concentration. Personally, my favorite playlist that I use while studying is lofi hip hop music. Hip hop, it's not hip hop in it, but yeah, surely I will recommend you guys to check it out because I personally use this playlist while studying and it's pretty effective. Okay guys, this was all I have for you guys in today's video. I hope you liked it and you learned something from this. In this case, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'll be posting more such videos like this. I don't know why, but this video literally took me about 8-9 hours to shoot. This happened first time, but anyways, thank you guys for watching and I'll see you guys next week. Peace out.